Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Logan Gabrielle and I am a makeup artist. I've been doing makeup for about 4 years now, and today I am showing a client whose makeup I did for a photo shoot. And we're doing a neutral glam, so that means I'm using neutral shadows on the eyes, like a soft blended look, and then doing a full face of makeup. So I won't talk through the entire video, but I will say if y'all are interested in a more in-depth tutorial where I talk about the products that I'm using and the different techniques, and I explain myself more in depth, then you can get that through my Etsy store, which I'll have linked in the notes below. But otherwise, I'll just let y'all sit and enjoy the video. And if y'all are interested in more makeup content, then definitely give me a follow and subscribe to the page. I post makeup tutorials for clients, and I also post different things that I sell makeup wise, like glam mannequins. All right, enjoy. Okay, so clearly I wasn't gone for long. As I was editing this video, I just thought to myself, I need to add context to this. If you follow me on Instagram, which you definitely should, I will link it below, then you will know that I did this client's makeup, I would say a year ago at this point. In fact, I was still living in Boston. I no longer live there. But yes, this video is a little bit old. I'm just getting around to editing it and basically clearing out some space in my storage. But I thought I would say that while I think that this makeup is beautiful, I've definitely grown, and I grow every year as a makeup artist. So yes, my techniques may be slightly different today, and the way that I do my makeup might be slightly different, but I still think this is a beautiful look. And I just wanted to let y'all know that if you want to see anything that's more current on my page, be sure to follow me on Instagram and some of my other social media accounts. I'll definitely be trying to be more current on my YouTube page with the full-length videos so that y'all can see what my current work looks like. All right, now this time I'm really going to let y'all enjoy this. Okay, bye. If y'all have made it to the end of the video, I so appreciate it. I am about to reveal her makeup, and this is one of my favorite parts of doing my clients' makeup, is just seeing the reveal and how excited they are to see the transformation, and it's really brings the joy to me for doing makeup in the first place. So she really enjoyed the makeup. I hope y'all did too. If you did, please subscribe and continue to support my page. I appreciate y'all. Bye.